We have two beautiful pieces of mackerel fillet. So to remove the bone is kind of very difficult, so I prefer to directly separate the two fillets before to cook it. Now I just cut the fillet in two. Perfect. So now I'm gonna season the mackerel. I'm just gonna put a very little salt on the flesh. As well, I'm gonna add a bit of mustard. It's just to seal the flesh, to keep all the moisture inside. And now I'm gonna finish the seasoning with a bit of fresh black peppercorn. I don't want something like too thin, like this, also I can feel the crunch of the pepper. In my baking tray, I put a bit of vegetable oil just for it to not stick. And then I will put the mackerel skin side up. Now the mackerel are ready. I will put them in the oven on grill mode, very high temperature. I put the oven at 240 degrees to be sure that I will have the most crispiness skin and the most moisture inside the flesh. After 5 minutes in the oven, you can see the golden color start to come out. The skin is very crispy. Now I will directly plate on top of some fresh watercress. It will bring a bit of spiciness. So to season my watercress, I will directly use all the fish oil that came out of the mackerel. Don't need to take anything else, it will be the perfect seasoning. Just to finish, to bring a bit more saltiness, I will put a bit of Maldon salt. So now we have our mackerel à la moutarde with some fresh watercress salad.